the approach is to attempt to modify it, to make the person, to help the patient make it work.
We are, or we have to be.
I don't quite follow this. We are.
People say we are individuals.
Now, why do you think that the self activity isn't necessary?
No, sir. First of all, do we accept and say, please, we can only modify it, it can never be changed. Anxiety, depression, modified, or agony of life. You follow? This process, tortures in oneself. That's normal. Accept it. Modify it, live a little more quietly, and so on and so on. If you accept that, the argument, there's no communication between us. But if you say, tell me, let's do, can be free from it. Then we have a relationship, we can communicate with each other. But we say, sorry, shut the door on my face, and it's finished.
So, there are some people who accept this and say we can't change it. But there are other people, and inspiring leaders of the different religions of the world are among them, who have said way beyond this.
Yes.
Now, since religions have wide followings, and since their doctrines are widely dispersed, there are in fact large numbers of people in our society, and in every society, who do think it can be changed, because all religions hold out the prospect of a change and of going beyond this condition.
But I would like to know, when you use the word religion, is it the organized religion? Is it the authoritarian religion? Is it the religion of belief, dogma, rituals, all that?
Well,
or religion in the sense, the accumulation of energy to find whether it's possible to be. You understand my question?
Yes. Well, I think the second, but I think that if we look into the history of the organized religions and people within them, we see that much of the inspiration for them was in fact that second kind of religion. Within their framework still survives, I think. But it's also something which has often been corrupted and debased. Another system of dogmas, conditioning, and so on. But I think within all religious traditions, that this second kind of religion